They get ready to have a party, honey. Look at all them people down there.
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't see this one right
I
here?
see. I'm looking at it now.
Oh. Maybe somebody get married on that boat.
Yeah, they getting married. Somebody getting married. But
They go
Spanish
brother.
people.
Well, I ain't gonna say I saw a black lady, but then again, they dark skinned too.
Yeah. A bunch of Colombians or something. Ain't no telling. Damn sure ain't no Mexican. Trump would be all over here.
Ooh. You know it.
Trump would be all over here with the ice.
Mm-hmm. He got him a little.
Kimosabi. Excuse me. That Lone Ranger. That's what Tondo used to call him. Kimosabi. That's some Indian type of name there. They cracking him. Kimosabi.
They go brother on the boat.
Yeah. Yeah, he
I
working.
guess.
Am I right there?
Yep, he working.
Yeah, he working. Yeah.
Here comes some more boats. I guess that's their thing. Just look for that's Fort Lauderdale police.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah.
They got their boat. Now I like that part of the job. As long as nobody don't act the fool. Oh, there goes somebody on a jet ski. So there's no gators in this water, right?
Should be.
They usually be in swamps.
No, it shouldn't. Because they do stuff to keep them away.
Oh.
Yeah. If they didn't do that, then it might be something.
Hey, you know what? Yeah, because they'll come right on the dock. Up here. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, they're getting ready to have something. They got cups, everything.